Are you paying for tools like EcomSniper? What if I told you you could build the exact same thing for free? In this video, I'll show you how I automated Amazon to eBay dropshipping using 100% free tools. No coding, no subscriptions, and no gimmicks. Most dropshipping tools charge you monthly just to do basic automation. Bulk listing, AI titles, eBay sync, EcomSniper, that's $30 to $200 a month. Instead, I use these 4 tools, N8N, an open source automation engine Airtable, which is like Google Sheets but smarter ChatGPT, to rewrite product titles for SEO, and Apify to scrape Amazon product details. Here's how it works. First, I drop an Amazon link into a Google Sheet. Next, Apify scrapes the product details. Then N8N sends that data to ChatGPT. The results autofill Airtable, and optionally, I can auto-post to eBay. I can now list over 50 products per day, optimized with zero effort.